Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Adil Vlogs and Tech. Are you guys? I hope so you are all well. So today I am going to tell you about different best websites and interesting. First website is all about if you are living a bachelor life or hostel life or in flats, so you will make whatever you want or whatever you eat. Some of your favorite restaurants you can make it on your own place. Like you can copy every single item of food where you want, where you have eat. And second is all about your graphics, like you make drawings easily. So first of all, copycat. Here you can go on copycat website. Here you are. So yeah, we are here. So here you can check all recipes, search for a recipe, or here you can check out recipes, Outback Steakhouse, and one plus 125 favorite copycat recipes. Here you restaurants favorites. Here you can check Olive Garden, Cracker Barrel, McDonald's, Starbucks, Outback. So let's go and have check. We are going to check uh, McDonald's. So we have to check egg. Hmm, hmm. Jump to recipe. Muffin. Yes. How to make McDonald's egg muffin. Sorry for this. These are also irritating things. Course breakfast. Prep time 5:20 minutes. Oh, sorry for that. 5 minutes. Servings 4. So ingredients: 4 tablespoons of turned butter as divided. 4 English muffins. 4 slices of Canadian bacon. 4 eggs. So here you can check out the recipe. You can also download this from the site. Here you can check that. Jump to video, print recipe. Here are many options. Starbucks. Oh, I am going to my favorite one, Starbucks. Flat white. Yes. So I am directly going to my recipe. Copycat restaurant recipes over it. What is this behavior here? For example, fried rice. Here are also recipe. Outback Steakhouse. So let's check this out. Yes, I want to check this out. Jump to recipe. I Yeah, this will tell us about calories, servings, cook time, preparation time, ingredients, mustard, cup, honey, cup light, corn syrup. So this is the best website ever. Whatever you want to eat or whatever you want to make, here you can check out. The second website is Open Peeps. This is a funny hand-drawn illustration or some use with blush. Yes. So you have to come to openpeeps.com and here you can make like these memes. Want to add your stories, avatar. Here are here you can check that. So let's try this. Okay, categories. We have to go to categories: education, animals, food, work. So let's make a work illustrations. Yes. Here are also pro available where you have to pay your own. So let's check this out free. So we will add it. Yes, here you can check that. Here are many options. You can also move this. Why this is not working? So you can also change background. Yeah, here you can check that. You can also add these. You can also change color, table color. You can also add flows. So so these are all the illustrations where you can make on your free, and you if you will make hand it hand illustrations with your pen, you can also able to move on animations. Thank you so much. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment and share. Yeah, I will see you in next video. Yeah, you can change upper body, you can put mobile. So goodbye, see you in next video. Tata, bye bye.